Hello, welcome to my channel, Small Optics. My name is Jason. Now, a few months ago, well actually summer of last year, I uploaded a video unboxing this Barlow here, the Celestron Omni 2x Barlow. And to cut a long story short, somebody left in the comments that this Barlow was fake. And it all started from this black lens cell here. Now, I'll not go into the full swings and roundabouts that this took me on, but I can confidently tell you now that these Barlows with the black cells are genuine Celestron Barlows, okay? They're not fake. This is just some rumor that started on the internet. And you may be wondering why I feel so confident about this. Well, I thought, well, to put this one to bed, I need to get in touch with Celestron and see what they've got to say. And I got in touch with customer support, and they sent me a very short, to the point email back. I'll pop that up on the screen there. And as you can see, these first started on Amazon, okay, that they first started using this black lens cell. Now, having done a little bit more research on it, it turns out all they've done, which were my suspicions originally, actually, was change the housing slightly. It's a slightly different colour. They've changed the barrel a little bit. They've put one of these little notches in so it's a grip. Grips in the focuser a little bit better. And they've also added a filter thread to the black lens cell. That's all they've done. And it's kind of, they've updated it to cater better for astrophotography, basically, because that's become so popular these days. And that's something, one feature that I believe that nearly all Celestron Barlows didn't have, was this filter thread. And this is what we're raising eyebrows and, oh, it's fake, Celestron don't do filter threads. And they've just simply updated the model, that's all. I can't believe that this is actually my third video on this Barlow. I mean, I only thought I was going to do one. But anyway, so we've put this one to bed now. So if you have got one of these in the post coming, or you've ordered one, or you've heard this rumour, everything's fine, okay? Carry on as normal. You know, you're not getting a fake product. And I stand by what I originally said about these. And that is, if you are wanting to upgrade the stock Barlow, the Barlow that was provided with your telescope, and you are on a budget, then you can't go much wrong with one of these, the Celestron Omni. They're just great money, Barlows for the money. So if anybody argues with you that this is a fake, then just point them in this direction towards this video and put their mind at ease. Well, that hopefully wraps another video up. I hope I don't do another one on this Barlow. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I think 3's enough though on one product. So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, because it really does help the channel. In the meantime, I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.